To troubleshoot Best Egg loan refinance, start by reviewing your loan application to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Check for any errors or discrepancies in your personal and financial details. Verify your credit score and report to ensure it is up to date and reflects your current financial situation. Next, identify the specific issue you are experiencing with your loan refinance. Is it related to loan approval, interest rates, or payment terms? Once you have identified the issue, contact Best Egg customer support to report the problem and seek assistance. Provide detailed information about the issue and any relevant documentation to support your claim. Best Egg may request additional documentation or information to resolve the issue. Be prepared to provide this information promptly to avoid delays in the troubleshooting process. If the issue is related to your credit score or report, you may need to dispute any errors or inaccuracies with the credit bureau. In some cases, it may be necessary to appeal the decision if your loan refinance is denied. To do this, you will need to provide additional information or documentation to support your appeal. This may include proof of income, employment, or other financial information. It is essential to follow the appeals process carefully and provide all required documentation to ensure a successful outcome. To avoid future issues with your Best Egg loan refinance, make sure to regularly review your loan terms and conditions. Check for any changes to interest rates or payment terms and adjust your payments accordingly. Stay on top of your credit score and report to ensure it remains accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot issues with your Best Egg loan refinance and get back on track with your financial goals. Remember to stay informed and proactive in managing your loan and credit to avoid any future problems.